Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Amit Kumar, Senior Resident in the Department of Skin and VD. This is our first online class of dermatology. In this session, we will study about skin infestation, that is, disease caused by some ectoparasite or arthropods. Let's start our class with this MCQ. A 6-month-old infant presented with multiple erythematous papules and exudative lesions on the face, scalp, trunk, and few vesicles on palms and soles for 2 weeks. His mother has history of itchy lesions. The most likely diagnosis is. Here in this question, there are 4 hints. First, the age of the patient, that is 6-month-old infant. Second, the primary lesions, that is erythematous papule, some secondary and vesicles, some secondary lesion, that is exudative lesion, and family history of itching in contact. The answer is very obvious, that is scabies. Let us start our topic, scabies. The word scabies came from Latin word scabre, that means to scratch. Scabies is caused by an ectoparasite. Name is Sarcoptes scabii var. Hominis. It is a mite specific for human. It is rarely caused by animal mite. Life cycle of Sarcoptes scabii. Once the mite reaches onto the surface of the skin, mite burrows through the stratum corneum and form a small tunnel. This is known as burrows. Inside the tunnel, female copulate and lay eggs. Each female might lay 40 to 50 eggs during lifespan of 4 to 6 weeks. Egg hatches in 2 to 3 days to form larva, and after next 3 to 4 days it converted into nymph stage, and in the next 4 to 7 days it turned into the adult life. The number of mite normally present in an individual patient varies, but it is usually less than 7 to 8 or 10 in an adult. What is the mode of transmission? The mode of transmission is a intimate prolonged contact, that is within the household. The second transmission is sexual transmission, and the third is fomite transmission, that is by the clothing and beddings. Most of the lesion of the scabies is due to the hypersensitivity to the mite or their mite products. Come to the what is the clinical feature. In clinical feature, we will first see the epidemiology. Here we will discuss about which age group of patient is involved, which sex is more common, and what is the predisposing factor. Then the age, scabies can occur at any age, but it is essentially a disease of children. There is no sex predilection, and the predisposing factor for scabies are low socioeconomic strata, crowding, and poor hygiene. Immunosuppression predisposed to Norwegian scabies. What are the symptoms of scabies? The onset of the symptom is usually 3 to 4 weeks after infection, but if it is a reinfection, the symptom may appear immediately, that is within 1 to 2 days. The pruritus is intense, and there is nocturnal increase in severity of itching. There is also history of presence of contact cases within the family, that is more than one family member is infected at a particular point of time, because it is spread by intimate prolonged contacts. What are the signs or clinical feature other than symptoms? The characteristic lesion present is burrows. Burrows is a C or S-shaped curvy linear structure that is formed by female mites, and it is present in the stratum corneum. There is multiple inflammatory pruritic papule, vesicles and nodule surmounted by crust over finger wave, volar aspect of the wrist and other sites. The nodule, if present, is intensely itchy and may persist after treatment. There are some secondary lesions. The most specific, they are not so specific. They are due to the excoriation, eczematization or secondary infection or impetization. If there is genital lesion in men and breast nodule in women, they are strongly suggestive of scabies in a poor hygienic condition or in a low socioeconomic group. Let's talk about the typical pattern of distribution or which space is most commonly involved. These are interdigital space, elbow, anterior axillary fold, gluteal region, volar aspect of wrist, ulnar aspect of forearm and arm, periumbilical area, genitalia and thigh. When we draw an imaginary line and make a circle through these points, there is formation of an imaginary circle known as circle of Hebra. These are the clinical photograph where we can see there are multiple excoriated papules or some erythematous papule present over periumbilical area, lower abdomen, trunk, finger waves and genitalia. These are the typical sites of the lesion of scabies. There are some variant in the scabies where first one is the infantile scabies. Here the lesions are mostly vesicular, few are pustule and nodular. There is absence of burrows. The lesions are atypically distributed. That is, in the infant, the face, palm and sole is infected, while in the adult, the face is less commonly affected. Most of the lesion in infant becomes eczematization and there is impetigo formation is common and itching is very severe. There are some other variant like scabies in clean. Scabies in clean present in those individuals who kept their body clean. In this situation, the itching is moderate. The lesions are atypical and very less, but typical distribution and typical lesions seen on genitalia and gluteal region. There are some other variant like scabies incognito present in those individuals who are either immunocompromised or taking some topical or systemic corticosteroid. It is a severe form of scabies that is atypical papular scabies or it is crusted scabies. The pruritus is usually mild or absent because of the corticosteroid, but on scraping, mite can easily be seen. The third variant is nodular scabies. Here the formation of nodule, that is the violaceous pruritic nodule over groin, axilla, male genitalia. This is mainly due to the hypersensitivity reaction to the mite antigen. It persists for weeks or months after treatment. One more or most important variant is Norwegian scabies. Usually in a patient of scabies there is only 7 to 8 mites or up to 10 mites over the body, but in case of Norwegian scabies the number of mites is up to millions and there is development of hyperkeratotic skin crust. The predisposing factor for Norwegian scabies is immunosuppressive disease like HIV or immunosuppressive drugs. Some other condition like Down syndrome, tabes dorsalis and leprosis may cause Norwegian scabies. The clinical features are there is formation of large warty crust on hands and feet. Their palm and sole show irregular, thickened and fissuring. There is erythema and scaling over scalp, face, trunk, finger, toe. And itching is characteristically low or absent. The pictures show Norwegian scabies. There is hyperkeratotic, fissured, erythematous, scaly plaque present over volar aspect of both hand and the elbow. There is some morphological variant like bullous scabies. It is rarely demonstrated, and there is intensely pruritic small bulla on extremities in children. From this bulla, the scabies mites are rarely demonstrated. And one other variant like animal scabies, that pseudoscabies, it is mostly caused by the dog. The source is dog. There is intensely pruritic papule at the site of contact of forearm, thighs, but interdigital waves and genitalia are spared. On scraping, when we see the mite on microscope, we will see some surrounding on circular images. In this picture we clearly saw the mites. What are the complications of scabies? When the scabitic lesions are for prolonged duration, there may be chance of secondary infection. So, impetigo, ecthyma, cellulitis, lymphangitis and furunculasis is common. And due to excoriation, itching and secondary infection, there is secondary eczematization occur. One most important complication, that is post streptoglomerulonephritis, is common. Now come to the treatment. There are three funda of the treatment. First, the treatment of infection with topical scabicide, that is the mainstay of treatment. The second, to provide symptomatic relief with antihistaminic. Third, the prevention of transmission and reinfection. Come to the first, the mainstay of treatment, treating infection with topical scabicides. The topical scabicide we used are permethrin in 5% cream, linden, that is gamma benzyl hexachloride in 1% lotion or cream. Other substances used are benzyl benzoate, crotameton, precipitated sulfur. The drug of choice or topical agent of choice is permethrin 5% cream. It should be applied for 8 to 12 hours, and it is well effective and well tolerated and safe. Even it is safe in pregnancy. Now come to the second drug, that is the systemic drug. It is the single drug, name is ivermectin. We should remember the dose of ivermectin is 200 microgram per kg body weight, repeated on day 7 and day 14. We should remember two drugs mainly. One is permethrin, second one is ivermectin. We should also remember the concentration of each drug, like benzyl benzoate is 25% and crotameton is 10%. First drug is permethrin. It is the drug of choice or treatment of choice in classical scabies. It is used as 5% cream. And how it can be applied? The 5% cream is applied locally from neck to toe in night, and it is left for 8 to 12 hours, rinsed off in morning, and same procedure repeat after 1 week. Whole of the family members should receive treatment at a particular point of time. The mechanism of action of permethrin is, permethrin causes disruption of sodium channel current that leads to delayed repolarization and paralysis and death of parasite. Its advantage is it is effective, well tolerated and safe. It is safe in pregnancy, and it can be used after the age of 2 months of the infant. The disadvantage is it may cause itching and stinging. The second oral drug is ivermectin. It is treatment of choice in crusted scabies. The dose is 200 microgram per kg. It should be repeated on day 7 and day 14, but it is contraindicated in children less than 15 kg weight, and it is also contraindication in case of pregnancy and lactation. It binds to glutamate gated chloride ion channels that cause hyperpolarization and paralysis and death of the parasite. It also acts as GABA agonist that disrupting GABA mediated CNS neurosynaptic transmission. Advantage, it has good compliance, and disadvantage, it is expensive and it is contraindicated in children. Now come to some more MCQs, and this is the last session of this class. Let's do some MCQ. What oral medication used in the treatment of scabies? It is obvious, the answer is ivermectin. The second question is incubation period of scabies. Here there is no mention of primary or secondary scabies. In case of primary, the incubation period is 3 to 4 weeks. So the answer is C, 4 weeks. But when there is reinfection, the incubation period is less than 1 to 2 days. The third question is characteristic lesion of scabies. Answer is burrow. Burrow is a specific lesion, though papular vesicle is primary lesion, fissuring is secondary lesion, and burrow is a specific lesion. It is present only in case of scabies. Then what is burrow? Burrow is a C or S-shaped curvilinear structure present in stratum corneum, where the female might reside and lay eggs. Next question is circle of Hebra is associated with. Then we are clear, circle of Hebra denote the distribution of lesion of the scabies. That is papular vesicle that is present inside the finger wave, volar aspect of wrist, ulnar border of forearm, arm, anterior axillary fold, inframammary area, periumbilical area, and bilateral genitalic area. This circle is called circle of Hebra. The next question is an infant presenting with itchy lesion over groin and prepuce, all is indicated except. Firstly, this question shows the distribution of lesion and symptom. Symptom is itching, distribution of lesion is over groin. So our first differential is scabies. Then the options are bath and apply scabicidal solution. Yes, it is correct. Second, treatment of all family member at a point of time. Because it is contiguous, it is fomite borne, we should wash the cloth or start treatment on a particular time to whole of the family member. And third option is IV antibiotic. It is not indicated, neither the question mentioned that there is a secondary infection, there is pustule formation, there is impetization. So the answer will be IV antibiotic. There is no role of IV or oral antibiotic in case of classical scabies until and unless there is a chance of secondary infection or there is a sign of secondary infection. The last question, the question is over. Thank you all, and in the next class we will study about the primary lesion of the skin disorders, secondary lesion, and anatomy of skin. Thank you.